Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spirulina powder at home. Start by sourcing fresh spirulina from a trusted supplier. Rinse gently to remove debris. Spread thinly to dry using low heat or sun. Grind into a fine powder with a spice grinder or blender. Sift to remove fibers. Store the powder in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place to preserve freshness. Harvest at the right time and handle spirulina carefully to avoid contamination. Use clean tools, test water for pH and nutrients, and avoid algae blooms or unusual odors. When harvesting for powder, concentrate biomass gently, allow settling, decant clear water, and move wet paste to drying area quickly to limit bacterial growth and preserve vibrant green pigment and nutritional profile. Consider wearing gloves and keeping pets away from processing area to maintain cleanliness. Dry spirulina thoroughly using low-temperature dehydrators, solar racks, or gentle oven settings to protect nutrients and color. Aim for crisp, dry flakes with under 3.5% moisture before grinding, and use a clean grinder to achieve superfine powder. After milling, sift to remove coarse bits, test a small batch for aroma and taste, and seal powder in oxygen barrier containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.